I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
Salut petit aventurier. First, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Amandine, I'm 23, I'm French, and I don't exactly know what I want to do in life, so I'm just traveling around the world, learning about different culture, and most of all, learning about myself. This video is my first video in English, so I'm sorry if my English is not perfect and if my pronunciation is not really good, but I'm trying my best. Making videos in English is a big thing for me. You know, French people aren't really good with languages, and I've always been kind of shy to speak English before all the travel thing. You should ask my English teachers. Why do I want to speak in English? Simple. To challenge myself, to improve my pronunciation and my English in general, to share that with all my friends I've met during my journey. This video is about challenging myself, but for that I need to go somewhere. Wait, I'm going to show you. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a bus from Nîmes, south of France, to Paris, and on Monday I'm gonna take a plane from Paris to New York. Actually, my flight is cancelled, so I'm in a hotel room right now. Yeah, so I'll be in New York tomorrow, hopefully, finger crossed.
What music is that I hear?
Something to try and make you feel at home.
This is a Manhattan-bound local train.